And today we're doing another pack opening, but where is it? Fine, I can't see it. 457k we have. So we have a lot of cash. We're going to buy two 25k packs and then spend the rest on refresh packs. Cool. Pajanic, absolutely shit. I'll get him earlier. Next 25k pack. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? You're going to Dybala. We've got Lukaku, not have him. Batshuayi. Down to the 5k packs. I think that's better than most of those packs. I'm sorry, I've just got some notifications on YouTube. And yeah, that's better than the ones we've been getting all day. Well, not all day, but I didn't open any packs today. I was hoping to get like a team of the season Ronaldo or something. Not in these packs. You know what? Fuck. I'm gonna open a special pack. Oh, it's an inform. Isco. Ramage. Oh my god, that's not a bad pack. Most of them are new players. That pack was probably worth 100k. We got a Hamzik, blue and purple card, a one to watch, an Isco in form. That was not a bad pack at all. Worth 100k, I'm guessing. We'll probably like 75k. I wouldn't pay 100k for it. Cards. Let's make another 17k pack. We're probably gonna get somebody dead. I mean, I'm not saying we're gonna get anybody dead good because, guys, out of 2,785 players, there's another 1,600 and something left. So we've got most of the players. So these packs, these are just like ratings refresh packs, just doing these for pack openings. Gotta get. That's what I'm seeing a lot recently. Allison, I'm getting a lot of non-rare golds. Oh, by the way, I've packed a couple of. Let me show you. My cards. I packed Hummels earlier. 94 rated, better than Messi. I packed another Hummels. I packed Walcott. 3 packs. These are Hamzik. No, we just got Hamzik. That guy. We packed him. Diego Alves. I packed a lot of guys off camera. I can't name them all because I don't know which ones they are. Oh, Sterling. I packed that off camera last night, I think. Purple Sterling card. I packed quite a few off camera, but I can't remember which ones they were. I'm sorry about that. I just can't remember. I wish they were a thing like when you got them. That would have been good because then I would have like known when I got the players. Because obviously, I mean, when I was talking in the last video and then like Ronaldo appeared, it's like, so like if you talk, you get like a really good player. See, just like that, new player Bronzovic. Cesar Navas, he sells for quite a bit. I can only quick sell in this game, so we quick sell for about 10k. That's pretty good. New players. I forgot to say it. H2 rated Henderson for Liverpool or whatever it is. Son, we get him in like every pack. He can just jump off a cliff. I'm only joking, but if you like Son, I don't. He's like in every pack I open. Oh, we're getting a lot of new good players. Oh my god! I don't know how to pronounce his name. I never know how to pronounce it. I get him in all my packs on FIFA 17. I absolutely love him. He sells for quite a bit and all. Oh shit. Just look, 300k. Ratings refresh pack. I'm gonna do some more Cameroon packs and crap later. Look, right back. Walker and what name's that? How you pronounce that? Like, send it me on Twitter because I don't know how you pronounce half of these names. Look, new again. I don't understand this. A Cam, Spurs, Ali. We've already got him. I packed him. Oh, Naboa as well. I'm only gonna start saying the new players we've got. What Naboa? There's like a bowler. Centre mid Everton. Menez. Cars, duplicates. There we go. Let's get this done with. Pack, what we're gonna get. Ooh, got Cavani. He sells for quite a bit actually. Yeah, no new guys in that pack. They're all, even if they were crappy, I would have said them. But it's all just a bunch of duplicates, that pack. How much does Cavani sell for? 688 coins, not bad. When you get to like 700, you start getting good and all that. So we're going to flip the phone pack. And we got shit all. No, we didn't get anybody new either. Not what we're gonna get. Ooh. Right, mid. I said there's no point doing this on the real FIFA. We've got Son again. There's no point doing it on the real FIFA because we're just gonna end up getting all the ones that we've already got. And it costs money on there. Centre back. Coolaby. So there's no point carrying on if I'm just gonna get a bunch of duplicates. I'll open a couple of 25k packs. Just why not? I don't know how to pronounce his name. I was thinking about what I'm doing. It took me all night to get all these coins. I'm just messing them all up. Whoa, left back. Is that Alabar? Yeah, he's actually pretty good. I think I've already got him for the other version. This is the last 25k pack. Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna? Oh, it looks good. We got Jordi Alba. He's new. I've not got him. We got Ribery. That's pretty decent actually. We got freaking Ribery. Oh, and Sagna, bit of Man City. I'm actually going to try and build a Man City squad. We've got Matthew from Barcelona as well. I don't know how to pronounce him. Mathieu or something. I don't know. Mathieu. And then we'll go back to this. If you want to see me do good pack openings, watch my videos, give me some money. Then I can do good pack openings. So we opened 4 25k packs just then. PSG, Ben Arfa. A PSG, probably build a PSG squad as well. Might into like foot champs or something. Ooh, we can open another 25k pack. Let's open one. 25k pack. Ooh. Lino. Got another Barcelona player. He's probably like a substitute or something. That pack also for about 5 players, 3k. Well done, mate. I wish there was 15k packs. There's only like 5 different packs on this game. 5k packs, 25k packs, 75k packs, and 100k packs. I can't pronounce. We've got Hits. He used to be my keeper. I think I've still got him actually. He is a new keeper we got. We don't have him yet. If you want to see me do foot drafts on here, I will do some foot drafts. I'm going to do them anyway, so there's no point in commenting. Just make sure you... Oh, we got Eder, 80 rated striker. Not too bad. Odell. Oh, got him. Got him. Good, good, good. Remy. Oh, we've got Arsenal players. I'm gonna have to get rid of this pack. I don't like Arsenal. It's shit. Next pack. Ooh, new player. Man City. Yeah, good. I pronounce it. I'm gonna do switch the phone off pack. Switch my phone off. Not cheating. No, switch it back on. Wait, we got Tevez. I switched it back on and the pack opened. I was scared shitless then because I thought the pack wouldn't open if I wasn't there to do it. So I was actually pretty lucky it did that. So yeah, store. We'll do another switch the phone off pack. Switch the phone off. Switch the TV on. If the TV comes on, then we'll open the pack. Don't know how I'm doing this, just want to. Let's go. Already got him, he's not new. Come on, I need like... We've got Marcus Alonso. We've got Chelsea. We've got Kane. We already got that orange version of him though, so we don't really need that. We're going to do a no reaction pack. I'm not even looking at my screen. I'm doing a no reaction, no look pack. Who do we get? Hang on a minute. We got an inform! Holy shit, we got an inform. It's a new one as well. We got Lux. I heard he's pretty good. I'm going to do another no reaction, no look. Right, who we got? Oh, Tulan. We got Delve. Delph, I don't know how to pronounce it. Nobody good. Nobody good. This isn't good, guys. We're not getting anybody decent. I don't know how we're going to do a review at the end of the video because we've not got many players decent. Apart from that 100k pack that we opened at the start. Right back for Arsenal, Hector Bellerin. Not too good. Ratings refresh pack, let's go for another refresh. That's got shiny things on it. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Oh, we got a Aubameyang again. Just to say we're getting crap packs. We got freaking Aubameyang. Nobody knew in that pack. We got Moses. I like Moses actually. He's quite good. How much does he sell for? Aubameyang. 688 coins. Store. Ratings refresh. We're going to do a numbers card pack. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh, we've got 85. Pretty good. I think we're gonna end the pack opening here. We'll open another pack and then another 100k pack and then we'll end the video. I know you're like, what are you opening a freaking 100k pack for? No point in doing that. You're gonna get nobody good. Because I'm gonna play the actual FIFA 17 in a second on camera. I'm gonna end this video, upload this, and then make an actual FIFA video. And then I'll do another pack opening later. If I can find the time. Right, 100k pack. Last pack of the episode. Oh my god, we got an orange. 87 rated. Pretty decent. But that's the only good player we got in the pack. We got him as well. We got Willian. 87 rated. Not too bad. Not too bad. I think we'll just open another 100k pack. No point. Why not? I'll just inform. Wait, left back for Everton is here. Ah, Baines. Got Modric. We got Modric, who was better. Well, that 400k went quick. The one where we did 200k last video went for 40 minutes. This one's only going 60 minutes. So if you real FIFA 17 next. No pack openings. Actually no. Yeah, I don't have enough coins to do pack openings. I'm not too good. So if you did like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace. More pack openings will be on my channel. So if you like this pack opening, but it wasn't too good, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more content nearly every day when I can be asked to do something. I know that doesn't sound very nice, but whatever. My channel, my choice. You start doing your own, you do what you want. So yeah, if you like the video, like, subscribe to Stegen. I didn't mean to stay whatever. But to Stegen. Oh, you can open another pack, okay. So if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.